Hello students, welcome back to the second part of the chapter 1, The Fun They Had from class 9, Behind Book. As yesterday we have read that in this chapter the author tries to tell about the classrooms and schools of the future. They will be generally automated with the robotics or mechanical teachers. The story describes the feelings of two students, Margie and Tommy, about the schools of the past. They loved schools of the past and wanted to be a part of that. They rejoice at the feelings of being taught by a human teacher. They anticipate the fun of being together with other children of their age. In this story, we find that Margie एंड टॉमी जिनको एक रियल बुक मिलती है और उसके थ्रू उन्हें पता लगता है कि किस तरह से पास्ट में बुक्स के थ्रू पढ़ाया जाता था जिसमें कि प्रिंटेड मैटर होता था ऑन द पेपर्स एंड नाउ दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ 2157 as we know that this story is describing about the future schools of the future where learning through computers, virtual classrooms, robotic teachers, and moving e-text. So now we will continue our chapter. He was a round little man, as we know that Margie, who was 11 and Tommy was 13. She asked him where he had found the real book. He replied that he found that in his house. She asked what it was all about. He replied that it was about school. Margie exclaimed, "School? What was there to write about school as she hated that? She always hated school, but now she hated it more. It was because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. Her mother sent for the county inspector. So now we will continue that he was a round little man with red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. But he knew how all right, and after an hour so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. The inspector was round little man. The inspector was round little man and whole box of tools. Tools means equipments with dials, meters and wires. He smiled at Margie. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the television teacher, who was mechanical teacher, away. Margie hoped, I think he would not know how to set it right. I think मार्गी को लगा कि शायद इनको ठीक करना नहीं पता है कि इसको कैसे ठीक किया जाए. बट आफ्टर एन आवर it was again before her with its big screen. Lessons were shown and questions asked on it. That was so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot. Slot means hole, a given space for putting things into. Hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. Punch code means code made of by punches. That was language. They made her and learned when she was 6 years old. और वो उन punches code को कब से जानती है? When she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. She hated its slot in which she had to put her homework. She had to write them in a punch code. She had been learning since she was 6 years old. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault." ये little girl का fault या mistake नहीं है, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared. Geared means, what is the meaning of geared? Adjusted to a particular standard or level. वो अपने particular standard और according to the Margie's standard and level पर नहीं है. That was the fault. Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. बहुत फास्ट चल रहा है जिसकी वजह से वो गुड परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दे पा रही है. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years old level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. Margie's was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" The inspector smiled and patted Margie's head. He told Margie's mother that it was not Margie's fault. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. He had slowed that to an average 10 years level. Margie's progress had been quite satisfactory. Then he went away. Margie's hoped that they would take her mechanical teacher away. मार्गी को होप थी कि शायद मशीन ठीक नहीं होगी जो उसकी मैकेनिकल टीचर है और वो उसको लेकर चले जाएंगे और उसको पढ़ना नहीं पड़ेगा बिकॉज शी हेटेड स्कूल. दे हैड डन सो टॉमीज फॉर नियरली ए मंथ. मीन्स को लगा एटलीस्ट 1 month के लिए. बट the history sector of Tommy had blanked out, and Margie said to Tommy, "Why anyone would write about school?" स्कूल कोई ऐसा टॉपिक नहीं है जिसमें कि बच्चों को इंटरेस्ट आए, तो कोई भी स्कूल के बारे में क्यों लिखेगा? क्योंकि जो उन्हें रियल बुक मिली है उसमें उन्होंने देखा पूरा स्कूल के बारे में कि क्या स्कूल के बारे में भी कोई लिख सकता है. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundred of years ago. As we know that we are talking about the futures, the schools of future. कि फ्यूचर में इन 2157 स्कूल कैसे होंगे और वे मैकेनिकल टीचर के थ्रू पढ़ेंगे, उनकी किस तरह से उनकी जो क्लास होगी, that will be virtual classroom and moving e-text and robotic teachers, and they will learning, जो learning है, learning through computers. And then they will found a real book. Then they are talked about that I don't know what kind of school, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundred years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Tommy told her that it was not their kind of school. टॉमी ने उसको बताया कि ये उनके स्कूल जैसा नहीं था. That was a kind of old schools which they had there hundred years ago, and Margie was hurt. मार्गी को बहुत दुख हुआ. She told that she did not know about these schools. मुझे तो मैं इनके इन स्कूल्स के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं जानती थी. She read the book and Tommy's shoulder. She then said that they had a teacher anyway, and Tommy replied that it was not a sure that had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. A man, how could a man be a teacher? And then Margie told, man, how could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. The teacher told the boys, girls things and gave homework. He also asked them questions. A man is not smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much as I. Betcha. Betcha means I'm sure. I bet you. In fact, Margie told Tommy that a man could not be a smart enough. एक जो person है, how can could be a smart enough? But Tommy said he was so. नहीं, ऐसा ही होता था. The teacher told the boys and girls things and gave homeworks. A man is not smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much as I betcha. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want to a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teacher did not live in the house. They had a special building and all kids went there and all the kids learned the same thing, sure, if they were the same age. Margie was prepared. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. अब मार्गी जो है वो इस बात पर बिल्कुल भी इस चीज का एक तरह से अपोज नहीं करना चाहती थी. She said that she would not want a strange man in her house to teach her. Tommy told Margie that the teacher did not live in the house. जो टीचर्स हुआ करते थे वो घर पे नहीं रहते थे. As the mechanical teachers, जैसे हमारे मैकेनिकल टीचर्स हैं, वो हमारे सामने हमारे मूविंग ई टेक्स्ट पर हमें पढ़ाते हैं, ऐसे नहीं होते थे. दे हैड अ स्पेशल बिल्डिंग. उनकी एक स्पेशल बिल्डिंग हुआ करती थी जिसको वो बोलते थे स्कूल. ऑल द किड्स वेंट देयर. all the kids went there. सभी जो kids होते थे, वो बच्चे जो होते थे, वो वहाँ जाते थे पढ़ने के लिए, and they learned the same thing. They were of the same age group. And all the kids learned the same thing, sure, if they were the same age group. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they did not do fit it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. But Margie said that as per her mother, a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl is taught. So each kid had to be taught differently. Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called that it was the time of her school. Margie asked Tommy if she could read the book some more with him after school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mamma. Now, said Mrs. Jones, it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So, students, you have to revise this chapter thoroughly, and tomorrow we will continue this. Thank you.